brought my friend Paul Bruno. We got something coming up next weekend. This is that shameless plug. Perfect timing. I've been growing camellias for a long time. And in fact, I joined the club when it was the Men's Camellia Club. And there was a lot less drama then. So yeah, that's politically incorrect, friend. I'm an old guy, so I can say that. We've got a great club. We've got 400 members. Imagine that. Join us. It's a very exclusive club. It costs $10.
It's beautiful.
But here's the best part. You get a plant that's worth more than $10 if you join. So what a deal. But you don't just learn about camellias, you learn about plant culture. We try to have educational programs at every meeting, and no business. Business taken care of in the board of directors, so it's a good time. We've got to come join us. But the show is this Saturday. Paul, talk about what you brought.
The Pensacola Camellia Club is the oldest camellia club in the United States of America. 1937. We're the oldest club in the United States of America. We're also the largest camellia club, maybe in the world, 400 members. So it's a real tradition in Pensacola. You come to a meeting, we get there early for a little bit of social time where we have some iced tea and some cookies, and we talk about camellias. And then we have a meeting and we talk about camellias. And we hang around for a little while just to talk about camellias. We talk about camellias. And we have men, women, old, young, kids. It's really fantastic, and we enjoy it very much. Our last meeting of the year is in April. We don't start back till September, and the first thing we do in September is have a big picnic, and we talk about camellias. So, we have a show on December the 13th, which is next Saturday. It's at the University of West Florida. They've been very generous, the university. We try to partner with local folks. The university is one of our partners. We have a huge garden out there. It's on the national tour of gardens. It's registered, the America's Camellia Trail. And if you haven't been out to the University of West Florida to see the Camellia Garden, it's something we built about 12, 14 years ago. It's fantastic and it's free. We have about 100 and, golly, no more than that now. Maybe close to 200 camellias out there, and probably 50 of those are Pensacola varieties, which is kind of cool. I brought some camellias today, and the show will be great. It's next Saturday. It's at 12:30. Get there at 12:30, and it's free at the University of West Florida in the common area there. Where is it? Oh, this is an interesting one. Looks fake, doesn't it?
Wow.
Black Magic's the name of that one.